Do you see it, everyone? It's all the ingredients for life!
Well, I see a terrifying darkness, but, same thing, I guess.
We won't be able to see life with the naked eye. But if we can get something under a microscope, we just might be able to find even the...
This is a test of the emergency alert system. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a thunderstorm warning or civil emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.